Hi, today I'd like to talk to you about shortcodes, what they are and how you use them in WordPress. Now, shortcodes are a little piece of code that is very useful and makes your life a whole lot easier. A shortcode will usually have a specific function to make or add a feature into your WordPress site. They're used by plugins and themes in order to add, for example, a gallery. You would use a shortcode. A form, many of the form plugins use a shortcode to embed the form in your page. You can use them for other things to add widgets to your different features to your page. Now, this is an example here. I'm adding a ConvertKit form to my page, my About page, and the block editor has a block called shortcode. You just have to look for it and you'll find it here and you can add it. And as you can see, the shortcode is surrounded by these brackets, and then you would use the shortcode that the application gave you in order to display. This will display this newsletter form in your page. Now, where do you get these ones? This one I got from my ConvertKit account, and it gave me the shortcode and the ID of the form. But most shortcodes will add the shortcode ID on the plugin page. If you created a specific, let's say you want to use a calendar, it will have that shortcode. Sometimes I've had to go to the documentation to find the shortcodes. So you just look for shortcode in Google. You just Google shortcode and the name of your plugin in order to find that, if in case it proves difficult to find. But mainly the shortcode is usually added in the settings page of the whatever plugin you're using. Now, if you are adventurous and you can code your shortcode yourself to include in your pages. Let's say you use a specific function in many pages, and you would write that function as a shortcode and just add it in your page with these with the block editor. Now, page builders like Elementor and Divi have specific blocks. In Divi, you can use the code block and to add your shortcode, and Elementor has a widget that does that adds your shortcode. So shortcodes will make your life much easier and are quite fun because you get this whole new feature in your page or your posts that comes from this little piece of code. Now, it's important to mention that if a shortcode comes with your theme or comes with a specific plugin, if you disable that plugin or you disable the theme, then the shortcode will stop working because it's part of the plugin or the theme. So you need to be aware of that.